In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to Registry. We'll walk through the process using Etsy so you can quickly add a product you love to your registry and make it easy for friends and family to find. Start by heading to Etsy's website or opening the Etsy app and sign in to your account. From the search bar, type what you're looking for, maybe graduation gifts, home decor, or anything on your list. Browse the results and click into the product that catches your eye. Take a moment to review the details on the listing page, like photos, description, size or color options, expected delivery dates, and shop reviews. This helps ensure you're adding the exact variation you want to your registry. Next, look for the Add to Registry button. You'll typically find it just below the Buy It Now and Add to Cart buttons. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed in and that you've already created a registry on your account. The button only appears once a registry exists. On some devices, it may be tucked into secondary options, so scroll a bit if needed. When you click Add to Registry, a small window will appear asking you to choose which registry to use. This is helpful if you have more than one, such as a wedding registry and a general wish list. Select the one that fits and double-check that any required item selections, like size or color, are set before continuing. Picking the correct variation now saves you from having to edit it later. After you've selected the registry, click Done to confirm. You may see a brief confirmation message letting you know the item was successfully added. If the listing is customizable or made to order, remember that processing times can vary. That's normal on Etsy and useful to keep in mind for gift givers. To make sure everything looks right, click View Registry. This will take you straight to your registry page, where you'll see the item listed. Verify that the title, variation, and quantity are correct. From here, most registries let you refine details like notes for gift givers or priority, and you can adjust privacy settings if you want to share the list publicly or keep it private until you're ready. And that's it. Go to Etsy, choose your item, click Add to Registry, pick the correct registry, hit Done, and then View Registry to confirm it's there. Follow these steps each time you find something you love, and your registry will stay organized and up to date.